It's time for another news and nonsense for this. I guess it's Good Friday, right? The Friday before it's Good Friday?
Yes.
I'm asking you guys, and I'm the Catholic. Okay, all right. A squirrel steals package from porch in Chicago. Chicago family
Probably.
sitting on their front porch witnessed unusual package theft from across the street. A person named Naomi, she was on her front porch with her family in Avondale. I don't know where that's at. Spotted a squirrel approaching an Amazon package. I guess the squirrel takes off with the package and carried it to the roof of the building. I'm going to guess it wasn't a heavy computer, but
No, it's probably hickory nuts.
yeah. So the
Yeah,
squirrel.
I was going to say that. You're lucky they didn't steal your nuts, Dan.
Yeah,
at that time.
the pistachios at Christmas time, I was going crazy over.
Yeah. So we have squirrel porch pirates. Who knew? Okay. Next one up. This is from Kansas. I don't know anybody from Kansas who has been on the show. Come to think of it, people from Kansas, say hello. Okay. Police in Kansas pull over a driver going. Guess how fast this driver was going at the highway in Kansas? Anybody want to take a guess?
I want to go 35.
Well, it's a highway. So how fast were they going? Totally.
Okay, then we'll go
80,
135.
This this woman was going 149 miles per hour on the
Wow,
highway.
I was close.
She got pulled over, and the woman says,
What she got under that hood?
"No."
Wow.
She says, "I was only doing 128." Does that make any difference? Anyway, the police said, "Slow down." This was at Overland Park. Those of you in Canada, I don't know where that's at. The city of Overland Park, Highway I-435 near US 69, Highway 69. I don't know where that's at. She was going more than double the limit. Yeah, I bet so. Well, I don't know what she was driving, but yeah, I don't think it was a Yugo. Scientists confirm. Scientists find that X-rays are coming from Uranus.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. mhm.
I've had worse things come out of Uranus, but I guess it's
I'll
pronounced.
sit on my hand the next time I break it.
I guess it's pronounced Uranus. Okay. Anyway, Uranus.
Oh, you mean the planet?
Yeah.
Oh, the
Yeah.
planet.
Uranus. That's one for Vince. Yeah.
Shush,
no-
Dan.
Uranus is emitting X-rays, and scientists want to take a closer look. I don't know why, but for all the astronomers out there, X-rays are coming out of Uranus. Okay. Ravens accused of stealing groceries from Alaska Costco customers. I'm assuming it's not the football team.
Up there, I think
What is
food's a little more of a premium. You pretty
Have we
much
got
got
some sort of?
you
Is
got to
this
go
some
out.
sort of animal crime wave?
Yeah,
Like,
it's like
what is it with these animals?
It's like an animal mafia organization now or something. I don't know, but
Yeah, up there they have moose and everything else. Just walk into
well,
town.
it says here some Alaska Costco shoppers have had their groceries stolen by ravens in the parking lot. I look. The shopper says, shopper Matt, I took 10 steps away, turned around, 2 ravens came down and instantly grabbed one of my packages, ripped it off, and flew off with it. Well, I guess it's cold and they need extra food to stay warm.
There must be some big muscular birds.
For years, the ravens have watched people in parking lots of groceries with all this food. They know what a piece of fruit looks like in their grocery cart because they've seen it on the ground or in a garbage can. Smart ravens. There you go.
Wow,
Okay.
that's some supreme intelligence there.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. This is kind of oddball news here, but I guess COVID-19 inspires 1,200 new German words. Like,
Get out the COVID dictionary, please.
like Geigstes condom or face condom.
Face guy.
This is real, by the way, folks. So the COVID-19 pandemic has inspired a linguistic shift across the globe, introducing many phrases to the English lexicon, like super spreader event. For some reason in Germany, they have a lot of these new words, a lengthy list, due to Germans' tendency to combine words together. For instance, Corona mutation Geitspeed, which is a mashup of Corona mutation and where's Stephanie? She lives in Germany. Refers to a place where coronavirus variants are quickly spreading. Other intriguing combinations include the uniquely German Corona Fußgrab, which translates to Corona foot greeting. And then the one I mentioned before, Maskentrottel, which is mask idiot, I guess when the person doesn't cover their whole face. Or Abständigsbier, which means
Abständigsbier.
Abständigsbier, which means to distance beer. Okay.
Distance beer.
That's what it says. Stephanie would probably understand this more than we would, but all right, Germans. So there you go. Steer captured animal. A steer was captured nearly 2 months after slaughterhouse escape. How does a big ass animal like that hide 2 months?
Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo.
A steer that escaped from a slaughterhouse in February was captured after wandering Rhode Island town for nearly 2 months because he was steered in the right direction, huh? No, but
he had the bad smell. You got a whiff of what was coming.
I don't know.
Well, let me guess what the punishment was for escaping.
Yeah, steaks. All right. And finally, strange world, folks. According to scientists, penises are shrinking because of pollution. I thought it was because of the cold weather.
Yeah.
But it says Dr. Swan's her name. I think it's a her. Writes that humanity is facing an existential crisis in fertility rates. Okay. I don't know if that's actually true or not. I mean, obviously nobody wants pollution or to breathe in dirty air. It will affect
Who would
you.
even get close enough?
I don't know.
You're
Chemicals.
supposed to be social distancing, not inspecting.
Well, I guess she's saying babies are born with abnormal. That's what I'm reading.
Everybody could just measure their own, Dan.
Yeah.
Except you got to subtract 2 inches from everyone's reported measurements.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I hope it's not true. I know we're joking here, but I hope this is really not. And I hope humanity cleans up its act for the betterment of all of us. And that's all I'm going to say about that. But I get it. Some guys just don't measure up.
Okay.
Do you guys have anything else to add on these news articles that we had for tonight for Good Friday?
Just that the animals have gone crazy.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's something with the animals.
What are they drinking? What are they smoking?
I
Yeah.
don't know.
That poor cow had the right idea.
I'm gonna
but he
tell
didn't
you-
get away with it.
You're gonna have the heads of the 5 animal families get together. These animals say, you humans, you can't take care. We're taking over. We're gonna freaking taking over with humanity. Okay? No, I don't know. But look, I love animals. I'm a nature guy, even though I was born in Brooklyn, New York. But there's something about nature. The smell, the trees, and everything, and. Every once in a while I'll go on YouTube and you'll have these people, who live out in the woods, the house. They'll feed the deer or a fox. I think it's cute. I think it's so lovingly, human, to help out when you can. So anyway, that's my thought on that. And that's no news and nonsense on that. And that's a fact check. All right. We are done with this news and nonsense. Those of you who watch this later on YouTube, I hope you had some laughs for this Good Friday, and hope you are good the rest of the year. Have a good Easter, eat what you want, and worry about joining Weight Watchers on Monday.
Same policy as for Christmas and New Year's.
Yeah, really, I know.
And Thanksgiving.
It's like that old Rodney Dangerfield joke. Are you fat? When you go jogging, do you leave potholes?